Hey all, so to start the machine learning in data science, we need a Python. You can say Python is a heart for learning or machine learning. So let's start. I will just give you you can say glance how we can do a Python. And if you are from the background of the coding or development or business analyst, so you can easily understand the Python. So to start this, we just have to go, as I already told you that there is a Jupyter notebook. You just have to write where you have put your code, just put there and write Jupyter notebook and see how it works. Here, so after writing Jupyter notebook, you are all able to see this screen. After going on this screen, just click on Python 101. Give me a minute. Okay, yeah, just click here on Python 101. And after clicking on here, you will see the basics. Here, so in the Python, the first of all, if you are from the Java.NET background, so you will understand this that we have a you can say a curly braces here, but in the Python there's no concept of the curly braces. We have your pointers, and here the most important thing which we all have to see is the white spaces, because in Java and .NET how much we put the white space doesn't matter at all, but here in Python really it matters. So just see the white spaces. So I'm just showing a simple number which is a you can say an odd and even. So we have a number in the list of number. If it's divided by 2, then print it is even. If it's divided else, it will you will then print odd. It's odd. So this is how we are putting a list of numbers. This is we can say static one in our languages. We put the static numbers here and it is working like this. So but there's a some more list is like you can think of our array list, right? If we will go on the Java terms, we go for list x equal to new array list, and but here in the list there's no list x equal to new array list. You don't have to put anything like that in Python. Python is quite easy if you are from the another programming you can say a background. If you are not from the other programming background, no worries. You can see in the simple terms like you have a one variable x has a fixed parameters 1 to x, and you are just putting in the list of the what is the length of that. You are putting the function length and you are printing the values. So you can easily go one by one. I am just showing you the basic tuples. Tuples is a very important thing in the Python. You can use tuples as a list, but what's the difference between the tuples and the list? Um, if I go that tuples are immutable, it means that you can change it the value. But if in the list is a mutable, you can't change the value, but ever the value you're putting, it is fixed. But tuples doesn't work like that. You can change at the value of the runtime also. Like example, you have a list of the tuples, we have age and income, right? On the basis of this comma, I'm splitting, and we can say print age and income. So it automatically dynamically putting the your first value in the age and your second value in your income. So that's what how the tuples work. So when you are learning for the tuples, then just think it's one of the important thing in the Python. No, dictionaries. Your dictionaries are just like a map, hash map, hashable. Because why we are thinking like that? Because it also work like your key value pair, right? So you can say I will show you a basic example so that people who are from the non-programming background, don't worry. I'm explaining you like that you can just easily understand this. Okay. So as I'm saying that it is in the value of the key and value. So one key has a one value. Go for this concept right now because it's easy. So we have a like before ship in captains. So your captains has enterprise cake, enterprise D, some the values you are putting, right? On the basis of the this is a key, this is a value. So you're putting these value in the dictionary like that, right? And on the basis of that, you are just printing the values of it. So you can see key and it has that value of it. Now I will go for your lambda Boolean expression. Boolean expression is too simple, but the writing of that is different. We can say that in Python we are using a functional interface type like false and true Boolean. If I will go for as non-programming people, so if print one equal to 3, no, it's not. Then it will give you a false, right? So you can go for the right, and then okay, for x in inch and print x. Now we are going for the looping concept. Like you have a your x will start from the 0 and in the inch 10, so 10 means maximum the value is 10, so it will go up to the 9. So this is a you can say Python, which is easy, and you will see many more examples by practicing it. So if you have a time, just write even and odd number series and multiply by 2 programming, and then you will get all the for loops and all the boolean things in that. Let's practice it all together in the next video. Bye bye.